Tech tips: alignment rub block installation. On your conveyor system, use the template in your node and sensor installation manual to cut a 2 1/4 inch hole over the center of the belt path. Drill 2 1/4 inch mounting holes. Insert mounting bolts with the threaded side facing outwards. Secure with the lock washer and nut, and then place the rub block assembly over the bolts. Install your second alignment rub block onto your conveyor system directly opposite from the first sensor. Be sure to check the alignment of your conveyor belt immediately after installing the rub blocks and adjust if necessary.